So today we're gonna make a WitherStorm mod. So first we're gonna go and see we're getting a background image. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in gallery and pick a random one. Let's say this view, and then we'll go get our tile map. Let's see, it's there. Okay, so we put it on the top of the background image. Then we're gonna make it a little wider, so I'm gonna set it to 200. Okay, that's way too much. Let me set it to maybe 80 or 60 is that. So then I'm getting this to make it like a Minecraft field, so I pick grass blocks, and then underneath I'm planning of placing dirt blocks, so let me just place them. It's like a bridge coming down and up. Oh, let me erase that one because that was made by mistake. And let's go back to the pencil. Now, let's continue. And we're going straight, up. Okay, we're going up. And then we place some dirt, like that. And then I'm planning of making a tree. So on top, we'll place grass blocks on top of the dirt blocks that were just placed. Oh yeah, I'm putting it on the bottom first. And now we're gonna do it. Okay, so we're placing the grass blocks. So we placed them. Actually, not yet. We're still doing it. So now we're done. Then we're gonna go to my tiles, and we're gonna make the wood. So I'm gonna click the plus. I'm gonna get the brown color, and then yeah, I just clicked it, and then I'm gonna I click the eraser. Yeah, now I click the fill tool. Now we're done. So we're making our tree. It's like about 8 blocks wide, more than that. So now we're making the grass. So we have cyan. Yeah, cyan, like corner, making the corner. So we made that corner. Now we're using light green. Green has been used. Now we're doing cyan. And then it goes like cyan, green, cyan, green. That's how I'm gonna make it, but some will be in a stripped way. Okay, why did I click dark blue that time? But still, now we're back on cyan. So I clicked yellow by accident. Okay, even clicked the eraser by accident. Now the fill tool, hang on. Yay, now we have the fill tool. I'm just putting in the green. And yep, I put in the green for 2 places, and then now we're using cyan. 1, 2, 3. Oh, accidentally set it to white. And then fill in those spaces. Okay, so we're using the green for that, and that, and that, and even those. And that's a finishing touch for our grass, and I mean the leaves. Okay, so now we've started placing them, and I'm even gonna use it to cover the wood. Yeah, now we're gonna place 2 blocks on top, and we're finished with that. Oh wait, we're gonna make the formidable bomb. Forgot. Oh yeah, forgot. I clicked the erase tool instead. Okay, we're gonna make the F logo on top. We're starting there. Oh, moving there. Yep. And then we're going down. Oops, made a mistake. And it's touching the bottom, so it has to be inside of this tile. So, we're gonna trace it like that. Camouflage it there. Okay, so now we switched it to white without having to click the white color. And we've made the F. Click done. And we're gonna place it close to the tree. Actually, not there. No, not there. Oh yeah, let's do there. Actually, no, not there. I didn't want to do that. No, not there. Yeah, good. And Nope, that's wrong. Yeah, that's good. I guess. Well, we don't have a player yet, so I suggest we make one. So let's go to sprites, click that, and then we're gonna make our player. So I'm gonna make my player Steve because I wanna put Steve as my player because it's gonna be Minecraft. So we're gonna make it like a little taller so that we can make our whole Steve. Steve's gonna look it's gonna still look small and tiny. So yeah, we got purple. Now cyan. Yeah, cyan's going on the top. And then we put another layer. Oh, one more. There. Now we're making Steve's skin. So we're gonna do arms. Okay, that was a mistake with the arm. Okay, so we're gonna fix that by, first placing that tile, putting the purple shade back, and then we're getting the cyan. Now we're gonna make Steve's head. Okay, so we've made Steve's head. There was a mistake with the arm, so let me erase some of it. Okay, so I erased the bottom part of the arm. Okay, let me erase the bottom. So actually, let me do something like this. Did a mistake with the head, but still, we're making the arms thin. Yeah, that's good. Raising that arm, and then we're putting a spare. Okay, we're gonna fix his head, and now we're putting a spare arm. Maybe do the face later. A mistake with the arm again. Okay, we're gonna click erase tool to. I wouldn't suggest clicking undo. So save project because I need to go somewhere to check out another project so that I could get some inspiration by because that project was made somewhere else and I got mostly inspired by what I was thinking. So yeah, I haven't finished it yet. So I'm gonna start continuing it. Okay, project saved successfully. Wait, how am I not out? Okay, go back and don't save. I go to, I have to go to my stuff. Okay, I'm gonna check if I have a previous project because I've made multiple WitherStorm Mod projects, but I'm still trying to think of something that I could do with it. So I have something in my mind that I might do, but maybe if I can find it, I'll try it out. Okay. Nope, not here. Not here because those projects. No, not there again. Oh, we're gonna go back to where we were and let's see if we can get our project back and try something new. Or we'll just select a new project and copy. So I'm thinking of that. No, I can't do it. Yeah, click my icon. And then next, we'll go back to my new project, edit project. So yeah, we have our previous code there. So we're we're gonna go to scene, get camera, follow my sprite, and then we're gonna rename my sprite to Steve. Yep, we renamed it to Steve. There we go. Now we're going to sprites again. We're getting sprite X2, so I'm gonna set it to Steve X2. So I need acceleration Y. Yeah, acceleration Y. Then let me set it to 600. Let's drag it in. Good. Now getting controller on A button pressed. We're getting something from logic. Oh wait, no, we're still there. Okay, so we've got that. We got our true then from logic, and then we went into our. Okay, let's check if everything's right. Oh yeah, let's fill the walls in because I saw the previous mistake that the player was maybe falling in. So that's the problem. It kept on falling down. So let's see now. Okay, we've filled the walls. Let me erase the walls for the wood on the tree because I want to go through the tree. Like I've seen Paper Minecraft and I want to do the same thing as that. So I'm clicking done and we're putting our set sprite X2. No, not yet. Okay, so we're gonna try to test our project. Oh yeah, we don't have the buttons yet, so we're gonna add position. So we're going to scene and getting if sprite is hitting wall on bottom. So we're gonna place it in. So yeah, it's already set to Steve. And yeah, it's set to bottom. Yeah, we have Steve. Okay, now we're gonna go and get set sprite X2 again. But I'm gonna set it to Steve. Okay, we have it as Steve. Now we're getting velocity Y to negative 250. Okay, negative 250, that's it. So, that's not it actually. That's only the part for jumping. Okay, so we're gonna make sure Steve can move left and right. I don't want him to move up and down because that will not be fair for the jumping part. So I'm gonna delete the first 100 and make it 0. Actually, the second 100 and make it 0. Now we have a project where Steve can jump. Well, we can't. Okay, we can reach the Formidabomb. Just, I'm thinking of something else. Maybe we should make it. So, let's... Okay, wait, not yet. We're not gonna make... Oh yeah, actually we're making it now. So we're first getting console log after... Okay, we first have to make function. Make... Okay, now it took me some time. Now I'm taking time to think. Okay, make Formidabomb. Okay, clicking done. Moving it down. Going to console, getting console log. I'm gonna make it F23 or just F2. Yeah, it's gonna be F2. I'm gonna go and get console log value X equal to 0. I'm gonna make it F2 like we did for console log. And then we're gonna make 0 to 900 or a different number, like maybe 9,000. So yeah, it's 9,000. Now we're making our food enemy. I mean, not food or enemy. It's gonna be the Formidabomb. So we are gonna make the Formidabomb. Okay, that's its name. We're gonna click OK. We're gonna make a new new sprite kind called explosive. Okay. And then we're gonna so we're gonna make the Formidabomb sprite. We've almost made that. Okay, yep. As you can see, we've almost made it. We're making the F like we're supposed to. Okay, we're starting from how I did before for the tile. Okay. Hang on there. Hang on there. Wait, I think that was too long, so that's why I'm stopping there. Yeah, I stopped there. I'm gonna add some purple. Okay, added purple. Clicking done. Now we're gonna place it in the make Formidabomb section on top of console log value and the other one. And then we're gonna get place sprite on random tile. So we're gonna make it Formidabomb and we're gonna place it on the Formidabomb tile. And then place it under console log F2. Then we're gonna place console log F2 on top, and then okay, so I'm gonna put those two to make the formidable bomb and its position in the middle. Now let's test it out. Wait, haven't I? Oh wait, no. Let's still just go. Okay, let's go over to our tree. I forgot something really important. I need to call the sprite, okay? So that it can go to the position or else it'll just stay there. So let's continue. Jump in. Okay. We can reach it. But still, I want to go up a little, so it wouldn't make sense for the formidable bomb to be hanging at a spot where it can't be. So we're gonna delete the formidable bomb's normal position, and now we're gonna erase those grass block tiles or dirt tiles. Now we're erasing the wall from there, the wall from there. Okay, we're gonna click that. We forgot the formidable bomb. Go into my tiles with the formidable bomb. Gonna get that F. We're gonna place it there by the tree. Well, now let's see how the game goes. So we'll still have a place where Steve can walk and jump over to the tree. Okay, yeah, Steve. Yeah, I'm just gonna play with Steve for a little bit. It's the background. You know, the tan parts, they're blocking Steve's face, so that's why I'm placing blue. Blue doesn't match up with nature, so I'm using dark brown. Okay, we're gonna make Steve a little face because Steve looks so boring without a face. We place that there. I'm gonna first make a whole line on the bottom to look like, yeah, that's how it's supposed to look like. And everyone knows about Steve having the beard on him, but I'm not doing that. I'm making him look cooler. So the eyes are stick together, and I just want to make it fun. So, yep, we have our sprite there standing. Look at our little sprite moving left to right and jumping up and down. Okay, I didn't want to sing that, but I did. So, it still camouflages the bottom of it, and where the nose is, that camouflages with the whole thing. So I suggest that we make the WitherStorm now. I'm getting very bored without making it, so we make WitherStorm. Click done. It's under on start. Going to sprites, getting the sprite. Set sprite 2, and we're renaming it to WitherStorm. Okay, actually we're making a WitherStorm mod. WitherStorm, like in the game, if you had Cracker's WitherStorm mod, that's how you would do the command to summon the WitherStorm. That's how it would go. So we're gonna make sure it's set to enemy, and we're gonna now, so let's make the WitherStorm. I'm gonna make it like the Wither holding the command block phase 1. Okay, we have black as the tail. I'm gonna make it the orange for the command block, so we're on orange. We're on black to make the head. It's gonna be floating over the command block so that I could put the lines that connect all the heads onto the bottom, and then I wanted to make it cool like this. So yeah, mostly I wouldn't draw the ribs holding the command block, but yeah. And I even wanted to do that to connect the heads to the command block. Also, it will look like a split WitherStorm with no heads on, just they're split off. So Okay, the WitherStorm isn't showing up yet, so we're first gonna get its position. Okay, position doesn't come from here. It comes from scene. I'm gonna use scene because it can place it anywhere at the tile map, on the tile map. Okay, so we're gonna get set right, place right on top of. We're gonna make it WitherStorm Mod WitherStorm. We're gonna set it to 0, 0, and then later on or maybe we'll change the row. Okay, let's put it back to 0, and let's play test. Oh, wait a minute. Let's redo it. Hang on, I forgot to call it. Like, I forgot with the food, like the formidabomb, the explosive, not the food, the explosive. Okay, so we're gonna rename it to Makecodearcade Mod WitherStorm blah something something. So WitherStorm Mod WitherStorm _ WitherStorm. Okay, so we've got that. FV or blah blah blah, whatever that's at next. Okay, so then we're done with that. We've made the enemy. Now we just have to make it. We have to make it follow. But first of all, where is the WitherStorm basically? Let's go to tile map and check where we're gonna place it. So we're gonna use the formidabomb as the trial version of the WitherStorm to show where the WitherStorm's gonna go. Okay, so we've made it column 0, row 6, and I knew it that we were gonna change the row. So we set it to 6. Now we have only one more thing to do. Just play test it to see where the WitherStorm is. Actually, not just one more thing to do to complete the enemy. We have to make it follow the player, so it could be like the WitherStorm chasing the player, like in the mod. Okay, so we've got that. We renamed all Steve to. Okay, so we're gonna name it to Minecraft Steve blah 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 via Steve something something something. Okay, why am I saying it? That is because I just don't want to say other letters, so I'm not gonna waste my time like that. So still, we have those letters. We have all of that. We're done with the Steve almost. We're gonna rename him as a better version. Okay, so we're done with that. And I think we're free to play test it, I think, or we just need one more block. Okay, we needed one more block, and let's play test it. The WitherStorm's on me, but it's too fast, so we're gonna try to make it 50 maybe? No, 22. Yeah, we set it to 22. And now we have our whole simulator with the WitherStorm. Let's run away from it. Wait, maybe. Oh yeah, we have the tree. Let's check on the WitherStorm. Oh my god, it was there. Well, the speed is a little fast, I would say, but yeah, let's play around with Steve. Meanwhile, to waste our time while waiting for the WitherStorm, that's when it's gonna be like boring just watching it. So let's just play around with Steve. Now let's go and check the WitherStorm here. Oh yay! Oh wait, how? It's so fast. The WitherStorm fast. It got me. It got me again. I don't want to give up. Okay, I'm not giving up. I'm still coding. Oh, there are 2 problems. Still, I import those because I just wanted to waste my time. Oh wait, we're keyboard events. Oh, I missed it. Good, we have keyboard events back. Okay. So now we're gonna use that. I'm gonna set it to J and I'm gonna store all the blocks from the A button press to there. And then delete that because I don't want that anymore. Okay, so I got rid of it and now we're playing it out. No more errors. We're all done for adding those mini bits. Okay, we're still play testing our project. Okay. Steve, come on, make the WitherStorm follow you. Okay, so we're inside the WitherStorm, but I can still see our tile map. That's the problem. I still see the tile map, so why isn't the blank tile map working? It should work. Okay, let's just get a different tile map to use, maybe. No, I'm not thinking of that, but let's try that one. Okay, we got our tile map. It'll be in front of the background image. We're playing it almost. Actually, we're not playing it right now. We're gonna first see what we have to change. So we're making a tile. It's always set to pink, so we're making the command block so that we can place the small, teeny tiny command block on the big one for the tile map. So we need a little bit more. So, too much, too little, so let's do it like this. This is oh, I made a mistake. I'll erase that. Oh, another mistake. I can just do that. Boom. And now let me get some. Actually, yeah. Let's get the small one. And I even realized that it's kind of big, so let's trim it down. Let's trim its size. Okay, let's just make it back to orange. Zap, zip, zap, zip. Good, we're done. Well, we first need to make the inside, then we're done. Okay, it went down like that. The bottom is still wide, so let's just, yeah, the bottom was having more orange than the top, so let's just use cyan for the buttons on the real command block in Minecraft, like those things, like those kind of squares that appear on the command block. Like, I'm not sure what they're called, but still, I see them on the command block every time I play Minecraft. Oh, good, done. Now we're gonna place it there by that crooked tile. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, our player's there. Oh, okay, it's back to that. Still, we're doing that. Oh, wait a minute. I think it has to go to that place where it first makes the inside of the WitherStorm. So where is it? Okay, it's very hard to find it because I have so many chunks of code. I'm not formatting it again until I'm done. Where is it? Okay, I think it's there. Actually, no, wait. No, it's not there. It's not supposed to go there. Well, let's just see over here. Good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. That's good because it also makes the command block at that place. That's okay, let's run. Okay, I had no time to run. Okay, why can I not jump? This is weird. I can't jump or anything, but yeah, I can't jump. let's see what we can do about this. It's the walls. It's the walls that's the problem. Okay, so let's get our eraser tool. Let's just play around with the command block. So I'm erasing those walls and all. Okay, now let's try it out now. Okay, we're in our world back there, and we can only just move like that. So it's impossible to reach the command block. Yeah, it's so impossible, and we can't even move other ways, not even other directions. So that's why I'm thinking of removing the if true conditional maybe, or just making L first. Let me first try to make it possible to reach the command. For not reaching the command block, I'm thinking that we should first do that and see, like scientists do. They try, and then if they fail, they change it. So we're just trying this out. Okay, let's run away. Oh, okay, I got caught up. L. I said L. Okay, not yet. L is not being used yet. Why am I moving side to side only? Should I just be moving one time? Okay, so we set it to where it can't be like the WitherStorm, because the WitherStorm is already dead. No, it's not dead yet, but like it's already destroyed, so it can't be following that. Okay, let's remove the if then conditional. Let's remove it. What happened to our on start? Okay, good thing undo is our friend to help us. Good, we are done with that. Now okay, we're inside the WitherStorm. Now we can just jump without having to touch the bottom. So let's click L. Okay, wait, the command block is on a different direction. So let's go to scene. Actually, let's first find the place. Okay, actually, let's go to, let's go to scene. Let's get place right on top of random tile. So we're gonna make it the command block. My sprite 4. Maybe. Yeah, my sprite 4. Where is it? Oh yeah. Not using my eyes for that part. On a random command block tile. That's the only one. So I'm just placing it on that. You know, using place random tile is easier, so let's continue the game. Okay, we're inside the WitherStorm. Now let's kill this thing. Actually, no, not kill, let's try to defeat this thing. Okay, not this side, this is the wrong side. Let me get out of here. I see mob. I see withered mob. Withered mob is coming. Withered mob is coming. Oh my god, the withered mob is confusing me a lot. Okay, let me try to kill it. No, again, I didn't mean kill. I meant defeat it. Keep on messing up my words. Oh well, let's just continue our playtest. Let's retry the project, or let's just continue playing it. Okay, let me plug in the charger. Now, let's start. Let's restart the game, or let's see what else do we need. Okay, we don't need anything else. Let's I think we need to go to sprites and get that out. And we need to get project time or something. Okay, I can't see if I'm enemy overlaps. Explosive or unexplosive overlaps. Enemy something. Not sure. Okay, it's too blurry for me. Actually, no, it's not that much. Oh yeah, forgot. I think, yeah, it's on explosive overlaps enemy. Oh, actually we did on player overlaps explosive. So let's continue with that. Okay, so I need a play sprite on top of, no, overlaps one. And now it's not player overlaps player, like the player is all, like that doesn't make sense if it's player overlaps player. So let's change it to a different one. Yeah, let's make it mostly explosive and the enemy. So if the explosive overlaps the enemy, that's the formidabomb. The formidabomb is the main explosive. Then it actually destroys the formidabomb, and then the WitherStorm gets blown up and goes to a different phase, like a bigger one. And I think that is how I want it to be. Yeah, we've done that. It's now WitherStorm Mod, WitherStorm, and now let's make that maybe about like 80 or 60. So we've done that. Now let's make the WitherStorm at phase 5.5. Yeah, I'm not going to normal phase 5. I'm doing phase 5.5 instead. Not going to phase 6 because the WitherStorm is not exactly I didn't make the phase 5 edition, so I didn't do that. That's why I'm just making it go to phase 5 and then it allows you to go inside of it. Or actually, yeah, it's gonna be phase 5.5. Okay, so let's make the eyes of the WitherStorm that makes the tracker beam show up. Now, okay, so we're gonna first start with the middle head. Okay, we made that. We made its mouth. Actually, it looks kind of cute with its mouth. Looks like it just came back from eating chocolate. Or maybe he might have been eating Steve's chocolate. Okay, and actually I wouldn't say that's chocolate. I would just say that he's eating too much grass or he's objecting too much grass. I'm not gonna do black or gray because, okay, I want to make it phase 8 so that people can mostly enter the WitherStorm at that phase, because I've only seen people enter it at phase 8. And let's try to defeat the WitherStorm. Now, play test. Okay, why is it not working again? Let's just wait for, oh, wait a minute. Let's press play because sometimes that's the reason it's not working. So, yeah, I really enjoy making this project a lot. Yep, that's one thing I would say. Okay, where's the WitherStorm? It's there. Come on, WitherStorm, follow me. Okay, it's following me like it's a dog. Okay, let's go. The formidable. Let's go formidable. Oh no, I was close. Hang on, why is it just doing that? Where's my player? Oh well, let's try it again. Jump, jump. Run. We're running as fast as we can. Okay. I lit the formidable. Where's the WitherStorm? Oh gosh, it's coming. Oh my god. It's here. It's here. It took no time. supposed to show up, but of course I didn't want that to come. So, anything wrong with the tile map or something? I think maybe let's try going inside the WitherStorm at phase 1. Maybe phase 5, maybe phase 8 with no mini WitherStorms doesn't work that well on this. So yeah, I can't jump, I can't move. Let's just go back in. Okay, so let me tell everyone while I'm playing. So what I really like of this game, I really enjoy making it, but it was very hard at first. I had no idea what I was gonna do at the starting. So I started doing whatever I could do. I tried everything I did. So I tried my best. I didn't do very good, but I still did my best.